What's up, bro?
Good morning, everybody. It's another day. It's another day to post the vlog, so that's what I'm doing. But it's a big day here at the shop because we're building a bed. We're building stuff.
Buddy doesn't really know what we're building.
I don't really know.
She is correct. It is a big day. We have made decisions. My dad has got pen and paper. He's come up with a plan. Not my forte, but it sounds good. A little bit different, so a little bit more to process in your mind and how that's actually going to play out. Very excited. He's actually been to Home Depot already. He's got some wood cut. We thought we were going to get up at like 7. Look at me now. Anyway, let's rip rock and roll. Unfortunately, it is raining. It is raining. Perfect. So you guys saw where we finished off yesterday. Today we are just putting this 1/4-inch plywood underneath the base, so at least we have a place to start putting our tools. We're not going to finish this area until we have a little bit more time to figure out the actual cabinetry, and then we're going to move on to the bed. We're going to start with this bed.
So we're going to start on this side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just get the support. I need that cut 75 inches. So if this is 29, you're saying make it 30, and then coming 56, so that makes it 30 from 56 is 26.
You're not going to overdo it that much.
That's like a single bed. That's probably a good idea. Is that what you're saying, 35?
We've made some big decisions today. We're actually changing it up a little bit because we want different things. So the actual structure that's gonna the bed's gonna pull out to is gonna be the same height, so we want to leave the same amount of room for electronics and all that kind of thing, which we didn't think about originally, but now we are committed to doing that. So the bed will only pull out to the side of that box structure, and then we're actually making the fixed bed a little bit bigger, so it's gonna be 3 feet from the wall, so he won't need to pull it out every night if he doesn't want to, unless he's got like 2 or 3 girls over. Then he's gonna have to have a little bit of a bigger bed.
Bring in the Uber now.
Knee wall.
Knee wall here, and then we
Call it a knee wall?
It's called the knee wall. Yeah, it's only up to the knee.
Oh, okay. We're gonna build the knee wall.
So many times, if you don't have the right tools or enough tools, you're switching out the bits on the drill constantly. You spend,
Spend the entire day doing that.
Okay.
So the issue here is that with Eamon and Bec's van, we sacrificed convenience of getting in underneath for stability. Theirs is a little stronger. This is going to be easier to get in, but not as strong. So.
Well, I mean, we don't know that. Yeah.
Exactly.
It's definitely not going to be as strong, no doubt. There's no way it's going to be as strong. But at what point is that way over-engineered on what we need to do? So
Yeah.
it's a toss-up, and we can always strengthen this. If we're not happy with it, you just keep adding wood and nails and wood and nails and wood and nails, and eventually
Good point.
It'll be strong.
Good point.
break time. Oh my gosh, Chipotle and a juice, a freshly squeezed juice. Okay. You always got to be thinking 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps ahead. So we've got our AC obviously located here, and this is our DC voltage. So I've got a USB, a 12 volt, and a light switch. So that's going to go here, and it actually fits perfectly. I'm just going to try and notch that out the best I can without putting a hole through the side of the van. I'd say that's going pretty good.
Yeah, it should just come out like popcorn now.
Do we install that now, or you're just getting it ready?
I might install it tonight, but
Yeah, basically just getting it ready.
Speaking of always needing to be 3 steps ahead, I guess we weren't really aware of some wiring. I don't even really know how to describe it, but Eamon is just going to town with the crowbar right now.
I got it, Jimmy.
So these wires are for the lights,
this one is.
and we need it over here. Is he back again? Someone's trying to sell us some stuff. He keeps coming back.
Here's a couple more for you.
We're good, thanks.
We're good, mate. Cheers.
Okay, so I'm going to set my cup of tea on a board that's 32 inches off the floor.
Okay.
Okay. So in order to
What kind of tea do you drink?
I drink chai wallet tea.
Perfect.
Have you guys ever tried chai wallet tea?
It's pretty good, I heard.
Actually, if you go around, I'm hearing maybe there's 25% off.
25? Are you crazy?
What we want to do is reach 32, okay?
Yeah.
So you got 2.5, then you got 26.25, and then you've got another 2.5 that's going on top like this, and then you've got the board of 3/4, 0.75.
So that's 32.
32, all right. Do I push it?
No, it's recording. We got these supports coming up, and all we're doing is firing two
Wait, Eamon,
screws.
I don't see you in the picture.
We got the supports going upwards, and now we're just connecting downwards. So you got a pre-drill. Becca's on the level. She wants to make sure those are straight. We good, babe?
Yeah.
Check Bec's level there.
Bob's getting real close. How did my level look there, Bob?
It looks pretty good to me, but I'm half blind.
Fix the red thing. Hey.
Oh my gosh. Batman, hey, stay. It has been such an unpredictable weather day today. It's sunny one second, a massive rainstorm the next second. So we're just kind of waiting this out. The boys are under here. It is not pleasant out. Oh my gosh, at least we found a use for those, hey.
I knew it would come in handy. Weather in Toronto is insane. This is literally 1 second later. Boom, that storm just blew through here.
I'm really excited about our progress today.
Yeah,
It might not look like a lot to a lot of people, but this is starting to take shape big time.
yeah.
These was the tricky part to figure out the layout. And now it's just cut, screw, pre-drill, countersink. Is it tea time?
Yeah, tea and cookies.
Where are the cookies?
Right over there, Dare.
Oh, seriously?
Seriously, yeah.
Where'd you get
I
those?
baked them last night.
Holy smokes, man.
I'm a busy guy.
Yeah, no kidding. We are getting going on the bit. Here's what I've done. Here's what we're thinking.
First of all, I found the most amazing bit. Check this guy out. It's one of those bits that has the countersink in it. So that is proving to be extremely helpful. When you're building out the slat design, you want to make sure that you leave an air gap because the wood expands and contracts. So I've come up with some kind of jig. So basically I've just screwed some L brackets onto this one piece, which will even allow me to set the other board evenly, and then I'll fire that one in and then lift this out and move it along and just continue to put it in. So this should be going pretty smooth. Bob just keeps pumping out the slats, and yeah, let's smash it.
You're guessing 49?
4, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38.
What'd you guess? 49? Why'd you guess 49?
Where did you finish off in the van build? The reason my grocery run took forever is you guys saw that today was a crazy storm. The wind knocked out the power. I think I need to sneeze. Each intersection, the lights were out and there wasn't a cop directing traffic, so it was like a 4-way stop at rush hour to go to the grocery store. But it's worth it because we're making pizza. I don't know how to take this off the tripod, so I just got to carry it around like this. Do you feel like we had a good day today?
I think we accomplished a lot more than we accomplished yesterday.
Yes. Better spirits.
Better spirits, new attitude.
New attitude.
New attitude, and I tell you, with a new attitude, it's amazing what you can accomplish.
Yeah.
Plus, we had a lot of extra help today that we didn't have yesterday, too.
It's all about me, isn't it, Bob?
It's all about you, Beck.
Little sun-dried tomato, olive, mushroom pizza.
Oh, it's ready? What am I doing talking to the camera? I gotta go eat some pizza.
Look at that table over there.
Oh my god.
I don't know if we properly introduced you. You guys have met Preet if you're like an OG viewer of the vlog. Maybe like, what, a few months ago? Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I feel like we got a lot done, which is super exciting, and it's starting to take shape. There's a few things that will still take a little bit longer, but overall, super successful day.
Definitely.
We'll check you guys tomorrow where we tackle, I don't know yet, we gotta figure that out.
Where's the ketchup for pizza?
Yeah.
Can I have pizza now?
Yeah, we can have.
Back.
First solo vlog. I'm not sure where Beck and Eamon went to, but obviously they're doing something else.
Yeah, look at my pants. I'm looking for a donation so I can buy new.
think it's time for new pants?
Decided we are taking the bike. I just drove around the parking lot. He told me if I dropped it, I have to buy it. Look at all this opportunity.